Since childhood, Paramhans Yoganand's digestive power was weak, due to which his weight was always less. He would get tired after doing little hard work. If he went on a long journey, his body would break down. Because of this, he would often feel inferior. During his college days, there used to be more lines of tonics and strength enhancing medicines in his room rather than his books. Yoganandji did many treatments to cure indigestion and increase strength, but nothing worked. Then, on coming to the ashram, Yoganandaji used to think in his mind, will I be able to do sadhana with such a weak body? Paramhansa Yogananji says, once while I was sitting in the veranda of the ashram, Guruji's eyes got stuck on me. He suddenly said, Hey Mukunda, you are very thin. Yoganandaji says that these words of Guruji hurt his inner conscience very deeply. Paramhansa replied, I also do not like my droppy eyes and weak body. I am a victim of indigestion since childhood, due to which my body remains weak. Medicines also do not help. Yukteswarji said, Mukunda, medicines have their own limits. You yourself are the reason for your weakness because you have kept the use of your mind power very limited. You see weakness in yourself. You rely so much on your weakness that it makes you think weak and inferior to yourself. If you think that you are healthy and strong and hold these powerful thoughts in your mind with full faith, you will soon become healthy and strong. Yogananda asked, Gurudev, is this really possible? Can this happen just by thinking? Do thoughts have so much power that they can cure my congenital disease? Yukteswarji said that this is not a matter of just thinking. Mukunda, now listen to the amazing experience of my life. Once I suffered from typhoid for 2 months, due to which I became very weak. When my fever subsided, I went to see my Guru Lahari Mahashayji in this condition. I told Lahari Mahashayji I was very ill, so my weight has reduced a lot. There is no strength left in my body to do any kind of sadhana. Lahari Mahashayji said, Yukteswar, I see that first you have deliberately made yourself ill and now you are saying that you have become weak. But you don't worry. I'm sure that by tomorrow your health will improve. Yukteswarji said that he believed Ladi Mahashayji's words with devotion. I felt the whole day that Guruji was going to cure me with his power. Yukteswarji says that as soon as I woke up the next morning, I felt as if there was a surge of energy in my whole body. I was feeling very light. I immediately ran to Lahari Mahashay and told him with joy that Gurudev, for the first time in many weeks, I am feeling energy and strength within myself. You have made me healthy with your power. This time, Lahari Mahashay joked with me and said, Absolutely right, but who knows how your body will be tomorrow? Maybe you will become weak again. Yukteswarji says that when I heard Guruji's words that the weakness of the body can come back, I trembled. I kept thinking again and again that I may become ill again. Then the next day, something strange happened. I became so ill that I was not able to walk properly. I reached Lahari Mahashay with great difficulty and said, Gurudev, I have become ill again. Lahari Mahashay ji said, So you have made yourself ill again. It is your words that are proving to be true. Lahari Mahashay said, Yukteswar, you are making a mistake again. This is your own power. From the experience of the last 2 days, you can understand that it is your thoughts and beliefs that have made you feel healthy and weak alternatively. Yukteswarji said, Gurudev, if I think that I am healthy and my weight has become normal, will this happen? Lahari Mahashay spoke seriously. The body is the extension of the mind. The body is literally manufactured and sustained by the mind. It is created by the mind and is under its control. At this moment, the thoughts you are believing in are the same as the condition of not only your body but also your intellect. Because the conscious human mind is like a spark of the infinite power of God. By believing in powerful thoughts, not only the body but also the willpower and life force can be increased. Lahari Mahashay said, I can show you right now that the thoughts you believe in with full intensity, the same can appear in front of you. After saying this, Lahari Mahashay became silent. Yukteswarji says that as soon as I heard Guruji's words, I felt a strange excitement inside me. I was ill, my condition was weak, but at that very moment, I felt an increase not only in my strength but also in my weight. Yukteswarji says that at that time I slowly walked home and slept deeply. The worries and tensions of the disease had completely disappeared. Then the next day, when my mother saw me, she asked me with fear, "Son, why there is a swelling in your body? Is this the disease of inflammation, due to which there is a swelling in the body?" Yukteswarji says that I did not have any disease, but my mother could not believe her eyes, that her son's body had become exactly the same overnight as it was before the disease had hit him. My weight increased by 22 kgs in a few days. Those who met him could not believe that something like this could be possible. Yukteswarji became silent after telling his story. After listening to this incident, Yogananji immediately believed Gurudev's words and all the despair disappeared. Paramhans Yogananji writes in his book, Autobiography of a Yogi, that within 2 weeks he gained the desired physical strength, and after that he never suffered from indigestion. Yogananji writes in his book to always believe in powerful thoughts. Before this, he had been to many doctors, but he never believed that he had been completely cured. That is why he was never able to get cured. But that day, he realized that having faith in oneself is. Think of this thought again and again. What you want to achieve, do not let it go out of your sight. This is also a prayer, and in this way, energy flows in one direction and your thoughts become so powerful that whatever you think with full faith, it comes true. Friends, if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.